Would you like to learn how the CIA hacks your phones, TVs, and PCs without being caught? In 2017, WikiLeaks published one of the biggest data leaks in CIA's history, dubbed Vault 7. The leak revealed over 500 tools developed or obtained by the CIA that are capable of hacking smartphones, computer operating systems, automobiles, messenger applications, and even internet-connected televisions. Sean Roche, who was in charge of the CIA's Digital Innovation Program, described the leak as a digital Pearl Harbor. One tool, for example, codenamed Weeping Angel, can allegedly turn a Samsung TV into a recording device, even if it looks turned off. In this video, we reveal the 10 scariest hacking tools revealed in the leak and how they work. So keep watching to find out how you can protect yourself from the most dangerous hacking tool of all. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to discover 10 alarming ways the CIA hacks your phones, TVs, and PCs. And make sure you stick around to the end of the video to learn how you can protect your identity and browsing activity from hackers, businesses, government agencies, and other snoops with ease. Let's go. Vault 7. The leak was provided by Joshua Schultz, who had worked for the Operations Support Branch to develop cyber weapons for the CIA. It is a unit for the best of the best hackers in the CIA. After he became unhappy with his coworkers in the organization, he stole a massive 34 terabytes of data and sent it to WikiLeaks. Dubbed Vault 7, the leak made public how the CIA was able to compromise devices like cars, smartphones, and specialized hacking for different operating systems. This led the CIA and the US government declaring that WikiLeaks was a hostile intelligence service. Pandemic. Cloud storage may be convenient for accessing files, but it can also offer a way in for hackers. The pandemic tool described in Vault 7 exploited these folders on Windows machines by switching a real file with malware. This tool also allowed an infected computer to spread to others through local networks. Just like the COVID-19 pandemic, this allowed it to spread like wildfire. That's why cybersecurity professionals try to practice digital distancing. Brutal kangaroo. Some privacy-conscious users might protect their data through what is known as air-gapping their network. That means disconnecting computers from any unsecure network that could be compromised. If you are running an organization with top-secret stuff, this is probably the way to go. But the CIA's Cherry Blossom is able to get around this security. Because of the isolation of the device, it requires a brave agent to plug an infected USB in, but once in, the malware runs a series of programs to extract data. Dumbo. Ever wonder how CIA agents can do high-risk field assignments without being caught? Well, with the hacking department on their side and the use of Project Dumbo, it's a little easier. Dumbo enabled the CIA to disable the use of recording equipment like webcams and microphones through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth so that agents could secretly carry out their missions. HiRises. Most of the tools on the list are targeted at personal computers, but the CIA knows that it's important to cover as many devices as possible. And what's the device that most of us use every day? Phones. That's why the HiRises tool was developed to intercept SMS messages on Android phones. The flip side was that the same technology was used to encrypt messages between CIA agents too. Couch potato. Setting up a home surveillance system may seem like a surefire way to increase security. However, it just gives the CIA another way to spy on your life. Through the use of Couch Potato tool, video streams can be intercepted and saved. So you might be giving them a better network of surveillance. Maybe you can just request a salary? After midnight. This one is exclusive to Windows operating systems. The codename of this tool is After Midnight, and it runs when a computer restarts. From there, it downloads other modules to allow information and activity to be sent back to headquarters. But that's not all. It can also request for computers to execute tasks. Even more worrying, it can be set up to automatically uninstall itself at specific times, leaving no trace at all. Athena. If that last one doesn't scare you Windows users, this one might. Athena targets Windows operating systems to take control of its remote access services. Of course, this is used to steal data, but it is also used to delete data and run tasks for gathering intelligence. Plus, it is specifically designed to trick computer security software into thinking that it is not a threat. So before revealing the final 3 CIA hacking tools, it's crucial that you protect your data with a VPN like IPVanish. A VPN tunnels your internet traffic, masks your true IP address, and shields your data from third parties, cybercriminals, and snoopers. Without a VPN to encrypt your network traffic, sensitive personal information and digital rights are constantly put at risk. With IPVanish, you'll have online privacy, security, and freedom on any network, from the coffee shop to your home setup, and everywhere in between. Get started with IPVanish by clicking the link in the description for a discount so you can experience essential data protection without sacrificing your internet speed. Scribbles. With the rise of WikiLeaks, the CIA has clearly been concerned about whistleblowers. One of the ways they have tried to prevent any more information from being leaked is by tracking the people leaking them. That's where the Scribbles project came in. The tool embedded classified documents with web beacons, which are normally used by advertisers to notify the CIA when one of their documents was opened. It was specifically designed for Microsoft Office 2013, so if you opened a CIA document on Word, it would send an HTTP request and notify the organization. Express Lane. There are no friends in the intelligence business, and Express Lane proves it. This tool was developed by the CIA to access biometric data from the NSA. You might think that they are on the same team, but the CIA would rather have full control. They sent agents in to upgrade the NSA software and secretly installed the malware to gain access to sensitive information. No doubt there were some awkward meetings after WikiLeaks published this one. Weeping Angel. Do you have a smart TV? They are pretty convenient for loading up Netflix and syncing your accounts, but they might be costing you your privacy. The Vault 7 leaks revealed that the CIA had developed a program to turn smart TVs into listening devices. The tool would normally be installed by plugging in a USB stick into the device, and then it would serve as an undercover agent. The TV would appear to be switched off while secretly recording audio and sending it straight back to the CIA. Maybe these televisions are getting a little too smart. Are you worried about getting hacked? Or maybe you think you wouldn't be a target? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe for more cybersecurity content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.